Hello, my name is David Mackie. Today we're going to talk about the Respirex SC4 Encapsulating chemical splash suit. This suit has the self-contained breathing apparatus worn inside the suit. The material is the Respirex Chemprotex 300. As you see, it has a large visor on the suit which allows incredible vision, and any type of breathing apparatus can be worn with this suit. The suit is designed that if head protection is required, in this case a firefighter's helmet or a standard industrial hard hat can be worn inside the suit. The gloves has the Respirex Chemblock gloves permanently bonded to the Chemprotex 300, and an outer pair of neoprene gloves are also in the package when it's delivered. The legs has the integral sock which goes inside your chemical Wellington boot, and this comes with a splash outer guard or splash outer leg which goes over the top of the chemical Wellington boot. As I said earlier, this is a type 3 suit, so a standard nylon zip, not a gas tight zip, a nylon zip is fitted to the back of the suit, and this is also covered, and this can be held down by self-adhesive tape. Please take the backing off when you do use the self-adhesive tape. Also in the suit there is one exhalation valve, so when slight overpressure does occur in the suit, the pressure will come out of that one-way exhaust or exhalation valve. The SC4 primarily is a chemical incident suit, where maybe a gas-tight suit where a type 1A is not needed, a type 3 is sufficient to use. It can also be used in industry where one is inspecting any type of chemical installation. If you require any further information, please do not hesitate to contact one of the Respirex sales team, or please go to our Respirex website, respirex.com. Thank you.